Okay, first things first, I'm going to get the stock exhaust off of this beast, and I'm probably not going to do a whole lot on the installation video. There's instructions and videos out there, so just wanted to show you the before and after. Okay, here we go with the MBRP exhaust. This is the initial fire up. Okay, so I've got a few ending notes on this MBRP exhaust. Overall, the kit was packaged pretty nicely, well put together. It sounds great on the truck, so I am not disappointed in the least. It was a little bit finicky putting it together. I couldn't really find a video that was specific to my truck, so I just wanted to point out that there is a clamp and the hanger here after the front pipe, so you want to make sure you pay attention to that. And these clamps, hangers were a little bit finicky. They look like they're both the same, but they're not. And one of the hangers is a little bit longer, so I believe the longer one went towards the back of the vehicle. So anyway, that was a tricky part. And then, you know, up until I got the front pipe, the mid pipe, and the muffler on, it was a little bit sketchy for me. I couldn't really figure out how to get the clamps on and the hangers, and finally got it. Again, getting the OEM exhaust off of there was probably the biggest pain, because this pipe at the outlet of the Y pipe, I did not have a flange there, and the original clamp that was on there was just clamping that thing down. I actually had to cut it and split it to get it off. So I would say if you're a novice and you don't have the right equipment, you're going to want to have somebody install this for you. But I wouldn't say I'm an expert by any means. I did not have the vehicle jacked up or on a lift. I just did it while it was on the ground, so it was a little bit of a pain for me, but I got it done. Overall, I'm really happy with this exhaust. It sounds great. Okay, that's it.